When I first got the Janome 9850, I wanted to use my own embroidery designs, but when I put them on the USB drive and looked for them on the machine, they didn't show up. I realized that I needed to format the drive before they would. If you look at a new USB drive on your computer, you'll see that there are no files or folders. In order to format the drive for embroidery designs, I put it into the machine and turned it on. I clicked the folder icon, the USB stick, and then the EMBF folder. I think that it may have formatted just by turning the machine on, but I went into the folder to be sure. When I plug the USB back into the computer, it now has several folders. The ORD folder is for sewing, and the EMB folder is for embroidery. Inside of the EMB folder is an EMBF folder, which is where you will move your stitch files. Here's an example of saving a design within Hatch. This design is ready for export, so I'm going to export design and then rename it to whatever I want it to appear as in the machine. Then I'm going to make sure that I go down to the USB drive, EMB folder, and then EMBF folder and save it within there in the correct JEF format. When you go back to your machine and click the folder icon, then the USB and the EMBF folder, your design should be visible for you to select.